what's up everybody? So time check, it's 8:36 ng gabi, Friday, at tayo ay biyahe na uli papunta sa langit. Hindi, at tayo ay trabaho na uli. So just wanna let everybody know na basta sexy, libre, walang problema. At saka barya lang po sa umaga. So yeah, no, I'm just joking guys. So anyways, nakatatlong pasahero kanina. I made pretty good money and I'm pretty sure na at this time, gabi, 8:30, and especially it's Friday, so marami akong passenger na pipick upin kasi lasing yung mga yan, sigurado mga nag-good time. So meron naman akong nakahandang dyan, mga plastic bags and candies, water, so everything's under control. So yun lang, at saka good luck uli sa akin, and then I'll see you guys again, and as always, you know me, Beats Pro.
As for all the things you taught me, it sends my future into clearer dimensions.